black. It's okay.
What's good? It's the Retro Kids. What's good? Main dude time, man.
Hi, I'm Young Spotlight. You know what it is.
Oh,
you know.
my fault. Spotlight. You know I gotta get out of here. White dudes, you know. You feel me? White dudes ain't supposed to jerk, so I'm kind of breaking the rules. You feel me? But at least we got a black dude here that can't jerk. So let's hit the music.
Let's do it.
Funky Fresh, just doing fresh, ready.
Oh, Funky Fresh. That's our man.
With this yo, please do not try to. With this yo, please do not try to. With this yo, please do not try to. With this yo. Funky Fresh, just doing fresh, ready to party. Go. Funky Fresh, 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 funky
What? No, I didn't. That was perfect. Stupid. Alright, let's get you out here and jerk then. Man, where's my Funky Fresh, man?
You know.
Hold on. Before we leave, we gotta get a beauty shot. The stomach, yo. Beauty shot. No, mine's way better. Get out of here, man. No. Little dude, it's all about that.
My jock's better, don't worry.
No, I'm home. Get out of here.
Well, it's time to go. But, see you later.
Bye.